Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that a lot of you have probably been wondering about. How long does it take to resolve a credit report dispute on Transunion? Before we get into the specifics, let's talk about why it's important to know this information. Your credit report is a snapshot of your financial history, and it can have a major impact on your ability to get a loan, rent an apartment, or even get a job. If there are any errors on your credit report, it could be hurting your chances of getting approved for these things. So, how long does it take to resolve a credit report dispute on Transunion? The answer is, it depends. The amount of time it takes can vary depending on a number of factors, including the type of dispute, the complexity of the issue, and how quickly Transunion responds to your request. In general, however, you can expect the process to take anywhere from 30 to 60 days. In some cases, it may take even longer. Here are some of the factors that can affect the length of time it takes to resolve a credit report dispute. The type of dispute. Some disputes are more complex than others. For example, if you're disputing a late payment that was caused by an error on the part of the creditor, this will likely be a more complex dispute than if you're disputing an account that you don't recognize. The complexity of the issue. If there are a lot of details involved in your dispute, it will take longer for Transunion to investigate the matter. How quickly Transunion responds to your request. Transunion has 30 days to investigate your dispute. If they take longer than that, you may need to follow up with them. Here are some tips for resolving a credit report dispute on Transunion. Gather all of your documentation. This includes any documents that support your claim, such as receipts, canceled checks, or letters from creditors. Submit your dispute to Transunion. You can do this online, by mail, or by phone. Be patient. It can take some time for Transunion to investigate your dispute. Follow up with Transunion. If you haven't heard back from Transunion after 30 days, you should follow up with them to check on the status of your dispute. Consider hiring a credit repair company. If you're having trouble resolving your dispute on your own, you may want to consider hiring a credit repair company. I hope this information helps you understand how long it takes to resolve a credit report dispute on Transunion. Remember, it's important to be patient and persistent. With a little effort, you can get your credit report cleaned up and improve your chances of getting approved for loans and other financial products. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.